So, did you know if you collect water exactly at 12 noon on the days of the Dragon Boat Festival, that's the 5th day of the 5th month on the lunar calendar? You don't just get water, you get something that's said to ward off the evil, bring good fortune, and even improve your health. You know, Asian belief says if you wash your face with it, you will remove bad luck. If you drink a little bit, you might boost your brain power. Some even soak their feet in it to change their fat. But why exactly at noon on the Dragon Boat Festival? Well, it all has to do with the yin yang, the 5 elements, and maybe even universal frequency. Noon 12 p.m. is a time when yang energy is at its strongest. The 5th day of the 5th lunar moon, 5-5, is considered the most young of all days. So when you combine the 5th day, 5th month, and high noon. So, what about you? Is the noon in Taiwan right now? Did you grab your 50水? If not, don't worry. Please watch this video 3 times and you will bring some good vibes too. See ya!